Today, I want to talk about a well-known trading nightmare that's solved by smart charts. That's something that we're going to be discussing right here, right now. Okay, guys, let's just set the scene. This is the area of stop loss management. Now, if you've ever been in a trade before and you've watched it go all the way up, obviously you're long, and it almost hit your take profit, but then it went all the way back down and you got stopped out. By the way, if that's happened to you, leave a comment under this video and I'll see how many comments. You'll be surprised at how many people this happens to. This literally happens to everybody all the time. It's a nightmare. Well, forget about this silly nightmare because smart charts solves this problem automatically. In fact, this was one of the very reasons we built smart charts, to solve this problem. So before I go in and show you how smart charts solves this problem, make sure you check out the link in the description of this video to get yourself access to the very same trading platform I'm going to be using in this video. So let's give you an example of what I mean. So let's take this example, Sterling Aussie, clean chart. I've removed everything else on here because I just want you to see how the ordering system works. So I hit the green button, which is to go long. I'm now going to zoom in. Now, here is the difference that makes the difference. Let's say I'm buying on this green line. My stop loss is on the red line. My take profit is on the blue line. Let's say I'm going for a much bigger take profit move. So I'm looking to make nearly £3,000. And I know that there is a bit of market volatility. And let's say I'm expecting that market to move up. But if it comes all the way back and stop losses me out, then I'm not getting to eat up any of that potential profit. Here's where smart charts comes in. Over to the right-hand side, look at stop loss. Now look at your options when I drop down the list. Here's the key, trail price. If I click trail price and it says minus 20 pips, that means as the market moves steadily into profit, my stop loss will follow the market like a shadow, 20 pips behind. So if it hits 50, 60 pips and then pulls back, my stop loss will have already captured 30 pips and it will stop me out, giving me a 30 pip profit instead of taking me out for a minus 20 pip loss. Now let's just say I want to amend how many pips behind the current price I'm trailing. Let's say I move and I go straight bottom right hand side here and I go and I type in, I want to put in 15. But clumsily, I don't put in minus 15, which I should put in because you should be minus 15 behind the current price if you're going long. So obviously you want your stop loss below the current price. And I try and hit enter. Smart chart says, and makes it minus 5, meaning you've got to at least be 5 pips behind current price as a sensible place to put your stop loss at the very worst case scenario. So that reminds me then, if I want to be 15 pips behind current price, I have to hit minus 1.5. Now that's put me in the right position. Now I hit enter and it will take it. So I'm now 15 pips behind the current price. But what about if I want to get better still? And I want to actually trail the price consistent with the volatility of the market right now. This is where I get even better. So I can add an indicator. I type in here ATR, which is the average true range. It's at a 10 period. I now put my mouse or my crosshair over the ATR, and it tells me that I should be at least 47 pips away. So now I can see I'm way offside. I'm trading the hourly chart. I'm trying to put a stop loss which is 15 pips away from the current price. The ATR 10, which is the average true range reading, which we've discussed in other videos, is telling me you're way too close. You need to be at least 47 pips away. So now I can move my stop loss. If I just click on it here and drag it down, you'll see it needs to be at least 47. Let's make it 48 pips. Now my stop loss is trailing at a sensible distance from the current price, which means should the market move heavily in my favor and then come back, my stop loss will have moved up, covered ground, and ensured 2 things happen. 1, I don't get stopped out for a loss. 2, I capture some profit. Okay, so here we can see I've just put the trade on. Now look, I'm putting my stop loss distance away a minimum of 10 pips. And notice on the stop loss, it's a trail price, meaning that my stop loss will now follow the current price as it moves into profit by a maximum of 10 pips, meaning that as price now moves up, I'm going to cover ground, ensuring that A, when my stop loss moves to a position where I'm at break even, I'm never going to get stopped out for a loss. And B, if the price comes back, my stop loss will now not move back. My stop loss will stay fixed at the highest point of which it's moved forward. In other words, its highest watermark. That's really important because that means that I'm capturing as much profit as possible while simultaneously reducing my risk. This is one of the key tools in smart charts that's led to so many people on the platform becoming successful. Okay, so let's recap the situation. So this is a trading nightmare solved by smart charts. The nightmare being when you place a trade on, it's profitable for the first part of the trade, nearly gets to your take profit limit, and then of course falls all the way back and stops you out for a loss. Smart charts protects against that and solves that problem by ensuring that you are trailing that price, that current price, ensuring that A, you lock in your profits as much as possible, and B, you get your profits or you get your position protected as quickly as possible by moving to, of course, that break-even stop. Of course, it makes sure that your stop loss is moved to the high watermark of the position, so should it come back at any time, you're capturing the most amount of profits that you set up in the order ticket. Now, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to get yourself access to my favorite trading platform, the one I use in every video, Smart Charts, click the link right there in the description. And until then, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.